Hello, good people. It's your girl, Boitshepo Moloi. Well, I am a lady of 24 years old, and my hobbies are I love socializing with people, I love swimming, but most of all, I like cooking. But the most enjoyable hobby of mine is making a difference in people's life, putting a smile onto your face. That's why I love presenting, because I believe that the television here in Botswana is an infant stage, and it needs people like me who would make a difference, who would come up with something new, something that will make a change and a difference to the world and the people out there. Well, in a nutshell, Boitshepo Moloi is a woman residing from Mahalape. In her childhood, she has always dreamt of being in front of the television because of her motivation and inspiration that she got from the top woman of television around the world. She wants to see herself having a television production company. Well, I think she believes that being a presenter will take her to higher places, places that will make her realize her dreams. That's it. Good morning, good people. It's Boitshepo Moloi, and right now, as I'm speaking to you, we are on the auditions of the Gemstone. Well, remember, Gemstone last year was here with the Gemstone model search, but this time it's big and better. It has come for you. If you think you are an actor, you can sing, or become a good host, TV host like me, this is your time to shine. As you can see, people are lined up outside, waiting to get inside to be discovered. So if you think you've got what it takes, if you think you are the gemstone to go to Hollywood, this is your time to shine. Come and showcase your talent, because you'll be going to Hollywood, to New York, where your talent will be harnessed. I don't know about you, but I know I am going to Hollywood. Till we meet again next time. Bye.